Hey guys, I'm going to do a handcuff prank look. Yeah, see? I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Excuse me, mate. This, I was filming outside somewhere, and this horrible policeman did this and ran away. Do you know what I mean? How'd you get out of these? You know? You haven't now. No. Oh, I'm so stressed. You know. Hey, mate, just kidding. Actually, I got the key for them. Sorry, I worried you there, didn't I? Yeah, it's a handcuff prank video. Sorry, mate. Yeah, I got you, didn't I? Right, let's get the keys now. Maybe I put them in the pocket. Oh, at least get out of them now. Yeah. Pretty good actor, aren't I think? Oh man. Anyway, guys, I need to find the keys, so